Here's 3 camera accessories you should definitely check out if you own an action camera. This is a really cool multifunctional camera stand for action cameras. The center of this extends out into a 57-inch long selfie stick. And then the base of this can either be a nice comfortable selfie stick handle, or it can fold out into a tripod, making this into a decently tall camera stand. On the end of the selfie stick, there's a quick release mount. This is permanently connected to the end of the selfie stick, but this quick release system can also be purchased as a standalone accessory. This is the Ulanzi action camera quick release mount. These are available with different mounting options. This one has a 1/4 thread mount on the bottom, so it can screw directly onto a tripod. And this one has the traditional action camera style mounting brackets. There's a lock release button here that you press, which will then allow the top of this to rotate and then detach. This makes it really quick and easy to take your camera on and off without having to actually unscrew the mounting bracket every single time. There's magnets in here that make a satisfying little click when you put them together. Then you rotate it back to lock it into place, and this isn't going anywhere until you push the release button. The cool thing about these is that if you have multiple of them and they're connected to each of the accessories you use most often with your action camera, then it's really fast to switch between each of those accessories with the quick release system. The selfie stick portion of this is made out of aluminum, and then the tripod legs are plastic, but it actually feels pretty strong. Even the small brackets in the middle here seem pretty tough. This ring screws down and locks the tripod legs into place, and this tripod makes for a decent sized base. I feel comfortable having my camera on here. Even with the center column fully extended, it seems pretty secure so long as it's on flat, level ground. Up next, this flexible clamp mount has a really strong spring-loaded clamp with a quick release mount built directly onto the side of this. So the included quick release plate can snap in here, it rotates to lock into place, and then your action camera can mount directly on here. The clamp is made out of thick, heavy-duty plastic, and the spring inside of this is super strong. So whether you're connecting this to a stationary object or the handlebars of a bike, this is going to stay mounted securely. I like that they've included these rubber pads on the inside and on the end of the clamps so it won't scratch up whatever you're mounting it to. Just this one accessory alone is going to give you the ability to mount your action camera in a lot of different places. And then included along with this is a flexible arm which can connect directly onto here, and then the quick release plate can go on the end of the flexi arm, giving you the ability to quickly adjust the positioning of your camera at any angle you want. And then last up, this is the Ulanzi Super Clamp camera mount with a 360-degree ball head mount. This is super heavy duty. It's entirely made out of metal, so you can be sure that your gear is going to be securely mounted. This thing can be clamped down really tight. On the inside of the clamps, there's rubber pads to keep it from scratching whatever you're connecting it to. The ball head mount is permanently attached to the clamp. It does not unscrew, so this is just permanently part of the clamp mount. When this is loosened up, the base of the ball head can spin around, and the ball head can swivel over at a 90-degree angle. This has a 1/4 thread mount on it, so it can be attached to all kinds of camera equipment. There's links to each of these in the description below. Go check out some more of my videos right here, and I'll see you guys next time.